Changing your primary email on Sterling National Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Sterling National Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Sterling National Bank. Following these steps will help you keep your contact information up to date.